In this video, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs Studio in 2026. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to ElevenLabs. Log in to your account and open the ElevenLabs Studio tool from your dashboard. ElevenLabs Studio is designed to help you work with longer audio projects, so it can be useful for creating audiobooks, narrated videos, podcasts, and other voice-based content. To get started, create a new studio project. Depending on the current interface, you may be able to import existing content or start with your own text. Once your project is open, organize your content into sections. For a longer project, dividing your script into chapters or scenes can make the editing process much easier. Next, choose the voice you want to use for your narration. Select a voice that matches the tone and purpose of your project. For example, you might choose a professional voice for an educational video or a more expressive voice for storytelling. Now, add your text to the project and generate the audio. Listen to each section carefully after it has been generated. If you notice incorrect pronunciation, unnatural pauses, or sections that don't sound right, edit the text and regenerate that part. You can make adjustments without necessarily rebuilding the entire project. Studio can also help you manage larger voice projects
Hello,
in a
everyone.
more organized way. Keep your sections properly arranged and make sure each part uses the correct voice and settings. As you work, regularly preview your project from the beginning. This helps you identify inconsistencies in tone, pacing, pronunciation, or volume before you finish the entire project. If your project contains dialogue between multiple speakers, make sure each speaker is clearly assigned to the appropriate voice when the available studio features support multiple voices. You can also refine your script to make the narration sound more natural. Use punctuation and paragraph breaks to create better pauses and improve the overall flow. When everything sounds good, review the complete project one final time. Check the narration, text, voice selection, and overall audio quality. Finally, use the available export options to save your completed project in a supported format. And that's how you can use ElevenLabs Studio in 2026. With its project-based workflow, you can organize and produce longer AI voice projects more efficiently from your PC or laptop.